here we go again. So like I said in my first video, so you can use this for 1000 BA only, 1000 BA only. So $1,500, that's not good. So 2000 BA, that's not really good. So 2000 BA and above, so you cannot use this relay. So only for electric fan or some lightings, no, some lightings with 1000 BA capacity. So that's all. So let's get started. So okay, so let's get started. So I get the wire here. I will get the wire here. So my wire is here. So okay. So first thing to do is we will screw this really on this wood or plywood. So it's okay. So So I connect first the line 1. I will use blue wire for the line 1. So the line 1, so I will connect the line 1 in the terminal block. Terminal block. So it's better to use terminal block because the terminal or the screw of this device is very small. So if I connect the wires into this screw, it will pull. So that's not good. So the next I will use white wire for the line 2. So line 1, line 2. So So then I connect another. So So I need to change the termination point. So I need to change the termination. I feel confused. So instead of this, I connect this. So the line 1 blue and line 2 is white. So that's okay. So okay. So and then I will use blue wire again. So I read the schematic diagram. So I will use a blue wire again. So I will use the blue wire again. So I will use the blue wire again and I connected to this line 1. So and I connected. It's too long. So anyway, okay. So I connect the line 1 in terminal number 23 of post button green. So okay. So another blue wire again. So I need to use small or short. So that's so I will use blue wire again and I connect this blue wire to terminal number 24. So it's normally open. So okay. So the next I will this one post button. So I will connect the blue wire in. I will connect the blue wire in the number to the number 11. So I connect the blue wire to the number 11 or in the number. So I connect blue wire and I need long. So I need long. It's here. Okay. I need it now. So I use two blue wire in this contact. I will just so I cut the video. I will make another one.